Today we're making arroz con pollo, and I added a 1/4 cup of beer in here. Sauteing the sofrito for the beans, adding some tomato sauce, adding the cut up potatoes, some sazon, I let the potatoes soften up a little bit, and then I'm going to add the beans. And now I added the beans. Just make sure there's enough water in here, because as it keeps boiling, the water will evaporate. And I'm stuck. Sorry, guys. I forgot to mention I added a pinch of sugar and some salt. Chicken cube. I just turned the rice. Doesn't that look good? Look at that chicken. Look at how nice that rice looks. And there you have it, your arroz con pollo with your pepperoncinis, your beans, avocado. And I sure hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.